Okay.
Okay, we're back, and Carter has assembled the shifter, and this worked out really good. We now have our shifter mounted inside the factory body. So now you have all these mounting points available for your console, just like they were. And what we were able to do, and this worked out really well, we were able to use the mounting, not the hole where the rivet was.
Yeah.
Was it the hole for
Yep.
the rivet? Okay.
The hole from where you punch out the
rivet, and on this side it's it's a locating hole.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't use it. We have a bolt on our shifter that could go right through there. It just needs to be opened up a little bit. We didn't really have to because we were able to use one of our mounting brackets in the backside here. So between these two mounts, the shifter's locked in there really solid. And when we take our measurements, we measure the original shifter, and we measure from the edge to the center of this shifter handle. We're 3/4 of an inch, and it's 3/4 of an inch here. So this handle's going to go up in exactly the same location as the factory one. And in terms of height, the factory one is about 5.5, and this one is also 5.5. So we've replaced the shifter handle with a very, very similar look-alike. And then we can also show you that when we mount it onto, of course this is going to mount just where it was before. We put the cable in through here, Carter. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the only thing negative is the cable's a little crooked here. Instead of being perfectly straight out here, but it really is going to be fine. The cable can deal with that. So there you go. It's a nice way to replace a broken shifter handle by using our shifter and then our hardware down at the transmission to match up. And also, if I didn't mention before, this comes with a full neutral safety backup light switch installed, so you won't have to worry about that.
Mm-hmm.
So, what do you think, Carter? Are we done?
I think I need to get me one of these cards.
Needs
so
to
I can
get
do
one.
this.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.